Yeah, it's more than a week. But it's because my first year's exams are ongoing, that's why. But don't worry, we are here, so we are going today to draw fancy from Azure Lane. Let's just say this one might test our focus. Let's start with the skin, keeping it soft, smooth, and glowing, adding those warm tones, blending everything nicely, and already, yeah, I know this is gonna be one of those drawings.
Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Skybree, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that Molly, yeah, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Skybree, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that Molly, yeah, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Skybree, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom.
Yeah, in this drawing I did so many layers on it, so that's why I'm using white color to blend them properly.
Man up for that, ooh, put it on camera. She a freak, nothing I can't handle. When I'm pulling up in that phantom, I got a pussy with
Now
her.
with the hairs, like her hairs are white and a shiny and have blue gradients, a little purple gradient. For that I'm using that light grayish blue soft powder. For the sharp and dark shadow, I'm using grey color pencil and the purple on top of it.
Phantom off that Molly, yeah, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Skybree, ooh.
Alright, now this part. Yeah, I know this is where you all lose it. The tentacles, the details, the way everything like wrap around the skin. Don't even lie, I know you're zooming in right now. I'm just here trying to draw and you all like disturbed. Ah, come on. Honestly, I was like also disturbed. Now for the water, I mean the background, adding that deep tone, grayish light. You know, like adding white and a little gray. And yeah, that's the final result. I tried to stay focused, I really did, but this drawing was not making it easy. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and be honest where you are watching the process or just starting the whole time. If you want to next level, I can give to you. Then I'll see you in the next cameraman. Hey, cameraman, no. Ah, come on. Yeah.